Okay, welcome back to the channel. Update on the Subaru. We got it loaded and we're going to take it away for decided to do the underseal Raptor primer seam sealing at the body shop because of dust, because of room, because of mess, because of overspray, because of loads of things. So borrowed a trailer. Didn't realise my friend sold his old one and got a smaller one to suit his car, obviously. But it just about goes on there. Bit of a pain with the wheels because they're only just the right width for the ramp. But she's on there, she's secure. We've put the wings back on for the moment because we are going to, we're actually, while it's in there, it's not having any paintwork or anything done at the moment. It's purely the underside. So the scuffing it up, cleaning it, epoxy primer, the Raptor epoxy primer, full seam seal, and then the Raptor tintable coating. But while it's there, we're going to do the inside of these arches because these are good and there's no rust on them. But it was starting to show a bit scabbiness down here. We are going to do the inside. I'm not sure if they're going to Raptor it or just primer it or redo them. I'm not sure, but we're going to get that done. So we're fully loaded up now. So yeah, that's going to be it for my side of things for the minute. Over to the body shop, I'm going to get them to take some pictures and bits and pieces of while they're doing it, just so I've got some photos of the process. So I'll get them to do it sort of primer, seam sealing, Raptor, etc, while it's all being done. So I've got it, and then I'm going to put that in the next video. We coated or painted the shocks, done the springs, put the boots back on. We cleaned up the lower arms there. They're still original, but we cleaned them up. They were actually covered again in like an underbody coating, so we kept them really nice. New steering rack bits on there, painted the hubs, kept the drive shafts out for the minute, but bolted the section in so we can roll the car around. So we haven't done like a front end resto, but we're just keeping it kind of as good as we can for the minute. So it's all good to roll. In the front end subframes, I'll do at a later date. So we're gonna go drop it off at the body shop, let them take as long as it takes to do all the underside, get it wrapped and done. Then it's going to come back to me here at the workshop, and I will then build it up into a fully running and driving car, minus, I can put the headliner back in and everything, but we'll do it as a fully running driving car except the interior. I'll put one seat in it so they can drive it in and out, etc, and we'll leave it at that, because obviously when they're painting, they've got to get right down into here, so there's no point putting a carpet and everything back in it, because it would be a waste of time. So yeah, there we go. So let's get it to the body shop, and the next update will be a bit of progress, finally actually going over the crest of the hill and starting to work our way on the good side of things. Can't wait.